Hello, my name is Kathleen Lisson. I am a lymphedema therapist and a yoga teacher, and I want to share 4 activities that you can do if you have only 1 minute for mindfulness self-care. So we'll start with a little bit of yoga. Yoga pairs breathing with movement, and we're going to do that with some stretching exercises for the neck and shoulders. So I'll invite you to inhale as you look up, and exhale as you look down. Inhale, looking up. Exhale, looking down. And last time, inhale, look up. And exhale, look down. Return your head to neutral, and then we'll inhale as we look to the right and exhale as we look to the left. So inhale to the right and exhale to the left. Inhale to the right, exhale left. Last inhale to the right, and last exhale to the left. So we'll return our head to center, and then we'll touch the ear to one shoulder. So inhale and touch the ear to the right, exhale and touch to the left. Inhaling to the right, exhaling to the left, and inhaling to the right, and last exhale to the left. So return your head to a neutral position and kind of feel how much more relaxed and maybe released you are in the neck as a result of just a simple 1 minute practice. So now we'll move into a breath practice with a 5-minute inhale, 5-second inhale, and 5-second exhale. And I'll have my little friend here who will help us. So as he turns green, we're going to inhale. And as he turns blue, we're going to exhale. So I'll have us start with an exhale. And then inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhaling and exhaling. Inhaling, exhaling. Inhaling, exhaling. And then a last inhale. And a last exhale. And then return to a comfortable amount of breathing for you and reflect for a moment in your body how that has changed and calmed you down, just that 1 minute of this 5-5 breathing technique. So now we'll move into an awareness of sound meditation. So we'll use the natural sounds in our environment to help relax us. So you can close your eyes, or you can just stare at the ground with a soft gaze. And I'll invite us to take the next minute and just listen to the sounds in our environment. So we'll start by listening for those tiny sounds that we usually don't hear that's in the room right here with us. Now, depending on where you are, you might be able to hear sounds that are outside of the room with you as well. being open to all sounds that you hear in your environment. And take a deeper breath. Inhale. If you have closed your eyes, open them, wiggle your fingers and toes around, and look around you and just feel inside yourself if there's any change just after the short 1-minute practice of awareness of our environment and the sounds that are in our environment. So now for our fourth practice, we'll do a short loving kindness meditation. So I'll invite you to call to mind someone who, when you were a young person, was very supportive and very loving of you, a very uncomplicated, supportive, and loving relationship. So bring that person to mind and feel them here with you. And we can even imagine that they're whispering in your ear the following affirmations. May you be safe. May you be happy. May you be healthy. And may you have ease of being. Feeling that loving, supportive person with you. And they may be whispering, may you be safe. May you be happy. May you be healthy. And may you have ease of being. We can take a moment to thank our person for the way that they've benefited and graced our life and really changed the way that we grew up, and then letting them go. We can open our eyes if they're closed and take a few deeper breaths and wiggle our fingers and our toes, looking around to bring us back to the present moment. And we'll take one last deep breath together and a nice gentle exhale. And thank you so much for sharing this experience with me. We were able to practice 4 types of mindfulness that you can use when you have only 1 minute to practice self-care. And I hope that you'll remember whichever one or several of these that really spoke to you in this practice, and remember it and practice it later today when you have time for 1 moment of mindfulness. Have a great day.